Did I nail it? Oh my god, she's so beautiful. What's her name? Shania McCleary. Ooh. Yes, my god. Oh, she's gorgeous. Oh, go follow her. I'll leave her link down below. Hello, my loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be doing this look right here. I have been heavily inspired by Miss Danessa Myricks herself. She is on Instagram. She is a true makeup artist, been in the game for a million years. I've known of her since I started my MAC quest and started wanting to become a professional makeup artist, like, you know, like self-taught. I just knew of her, and now she has her own makeup line, and you guys have seen me review a lot of her stuff. So this look right here is inspired by this look right here, and I don't know how I did, but the model here, I'm like in love, like girl crushing really hard. She's absolutely gorgeous. Her name is Shania McCleary. I hope I said her name right. But this is gorgeous. Of course, she used her own products, which I did not have. So I will be using products that I have. This eye look is my favorite. I have literally only used one eyeshadow, one whole eyeshadow from the Mented Cosmetics Everyday Eyeshadow Palette. One eyeshadow, nothing on the crease besides that one eyeshadow. It's on the lid, it's on the crease. And then I used my highlight that I used on my skin. I used it right on the inner corners, and just the mascara. So I have kept my promise. I really want to show you guys that you can get something sexy and beautiful with just a minimal amount of products. And I literally used the same shadow on my lips after I applied my liquid lipstick. So anyway, guys, if you want to see how I got this look, one, subscribe, like, thumbs up, and hit that little notification bell, because she's been real annoying lately and not notifying people that I've been uploading. And that's rude. But anyway, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then meet me in the next clip and just be ready for scary face. Ah. Today I wanted to come to you guys with, it's an inspo from Danessa Myricks, and I'll show you guys the picture here. I don't know why I fell in love with it. I think it's even on the lashes. It's just a simplistic blue. It's not simplistic because I know her ass put in work to get this look, but I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Daily Hydration Moisturizer. I can't read. So in her look, she's using these bad boys right here, her color fixes, but it's in the shade Chocolate and Coffee Cake mixed together, which I'd love to have her whole collection, but I'd love to have a swatchathon of all the Danessa Myricks stuff, but I can't. I'm gonna go in with her Prism Effects Hydrating Lotion. I use this as a primer. It's very glowy. Very glowy. But it's good if you have like a full coverage foundation that you just, especially me, I have dry skin. So I'm gonna look like an opalescent turtle. I'm spritzing myself with my homemade MAC Fix Plus. I'm going to be using my Danessa Myricks Vision Cream Cover. This stuff, is full coverage. I use one pump. It's probably too much. I usually use like almost a full pump, but I'll use one pump. This is in the shade N04, so Neutral 04. This neutral has a tinge of what I like to call a olive tone to it. I'm going to take my F80 Kabuki brush. This is the last brush I used with my Danessa Myricks. And look at the coverage. Hello, coverage. How you doing? And so what I do is I press it in and I bring it down, because this is full coverage. Full coverage. Take my wet sponge. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Concealer. I've been just kind of going into my drawers and trying to use up products that I haven't in a while. I'm gonna go in with the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer, one dot right there. And it looks the same damn shade as the Maybelline. I'm gonna go ahead and blend. I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I just shook it, so it's in there. So what I do is, you guys probably saw me doing it recently. I'm actually gonna take my Cosette S123 brush. I take a whole bunch on the brush, and that's what I use up. So I'm gonna set my center of my face real quick. Then I'm gonna take my sponge because I'm creasing a little bit, and then I'm gonna press one eye at a time just to repress the concealer. Take a little bit of powder and press it in place, and then blend. Now, because this foundation is full coverage, I will still need to set because on me it's still like sticky and tacky. So for my brows, I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and this one is in Granite. It's the only one I've been trusting lately. So I literally just take a little scoop, like barely. I just brush the brush twice so you get a little bit of product, as you can see on the brush. Swipe it on the back of my hand like that. And then, actually, I take whatever's on the brush and then just start doing my brows. I'm gonna bronze using my Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer, and this one's in Rich Amber. I could definitely have gone lighter, but I didn't want to. I didn't know which color to get, but I know I can go lighter. This is a beautiful reddish tone. Oh, and I'm taking my number 20 brush by Kat Von D, because I like a blown out bronze. I don't like a structured bronze. I don't like contouring like that. This is what my face looks like once I add color to it, and then this is what it looks like when I don't. I'm really trying to wish away this double chin, dude. I'm gonna go in with my Mented Cosmetics Everyday palette. I love this palette, which I did a review on, and the color that I'm mostly gonna focus on, I wanted to mix these two shades, but I think I'm just gonna go in with this shade right here, which is right in the center. There's no names to this one. And I'm just gonna, because this is literally all it's gonna be, that's literally all it's gonna be, is a brown smoky eye. You hitting you're hitting the wall with that tail. Okay, can mommy do her makeup, please, guys, please? So I'm just packing it on the lid. Oh, and the brush I'm using is the Wet n Wild brush. Some people don't like these brushes, but I've found them to be delightful, and I get them for like 99 cents, so I ain't mad at you. You guys can see I'm just building it up. There's rarely any fallout on my lids because I just know how good these colors work. But I'm building it up on the lid with the same brush, and then I'm just taking it on the crease. And as I'm blowing it out, it adds this warmth. Oh, yeah, let's zoom in so you guys can see. That was rude of me to not zoom in. Sorry, guys. And again, I'm just building it up. I don't know why. At this point, I like the way it is. And I'm not really touching too much on the inner eye. As you guys can see, it's just like smoked right there. So y'all know which brush I'm gonna use next, do you? Have an inkling? It's gonna be my Smith 220 brush. I wish I could find another brush like this, but I know for a fact that Smith is where it's at. I'm gonna take the same shade, and I'm like, literally, guys, this is a 1 shade look. And if I want to add an inner corner highlight, I definitely will, but I'm not feeling like I want to. I'm gonna line my waterline. I'm gonna use my Marc Jacobs. This was a sample I had. It already made a world of difference just lining my lower lash line. Okay, so I ransacked pretty much this whole office for the one product I can give a shit less about if I lost, but not for today's video. And I go into my bra and I find it. So I'm gonna be using a liquid lipstick. I'm gonna be using a liquid lipstick for my eyeliner look today. It smells really good. But it's of a brand that I just will not acknowledge here on my channel. I just can't. So yes, it's a beautiful blue shade. It has almost like purple tones to it. So I'm gonna take my favorite eyeliner brush. It's the tiniest eyeliner brush ever, and I'm taking this brush. This is the Royal Land, like one of their art brushes, and it is the 20/0. And I'm just gonna take this. Yeah, this is like the perfect blue. I just wish I had the Danessa Myricks primary blue color fix. So what I'm doing is just lining my eyes, as you guys can see. Most liquid lipsticks nowadays are pretty much eye friendly. I would steer clear of products like this if you're allergic, like highly allergic to a lot of things with your eyes. Just don't do it to yourself. Not taking much building up, because what I do is when you're using a liquid lipstick that or like a liquid product that you haven't used in a while, you want to warm it up, so you throw it in your titties, which is exactly what I did, and then I forgot it was there. But that's it. So I'm just winging it out. I'm going to reapply some more of the liquid lipstick on the back of my hand, and I'm going to take the same brush now, and I lined my lower waterline already, but it was for a reason. I wanted that extra protection in case it was just too watery. So now I'm gonna take the color and press it, and I'm gonna point that, as you can see. I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and this one is in 150 Molten Peach, because that number 10 brush, take a little bit of that product, and I'm just going to hit it. I'm not touching the liner. My AOA Studio brush. How you doing? It looks like she has it on her lashes, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my regular black mascara anyway, and then see... Oh, my nostrils. And then see if I can add to the tips of my lashes the blue. I'm gonna apply my mascara, which is my Lash Princess by Essence. So I'm gonna go in. She's not wearing any falsies, which I appreciate. Take a brush and brush them on your lashes. So once I put it in with the spoolie, I'm going to touch it up with the brush. I'm going to use a Mally eyeliner as a lip liner. I do it all the time. I just resharpen it. I think this is a perfect match. I'm going to be using a liquid lipstick. This is the Sephora liquid lipstick in number 21. And take the shade number 21. It's a gray shade. It is the closest I had that I can tweak. And I'm going to use a multitude of fingers. I'm not redipping my same finger. I'm just going to take that middle shade and tap it on my lips. You could definitely brush it on your lips too if you like, which I might do actually. So I'm going to take a Cosette number 4 brush, and I'm going to take the same colors. Yep. So guys, this is the completed look. I saved this photo from when Danessa Myricks uploaded it in July. I think it was like July 25th. And I've been obsessed ever since. I was like, I need to remake this. I need to use this as inspo, because there was nothing more sexier than brown with a nice pop of blue, but it's just sexy. I kept it monochromatic as I could on the lips, using with the products that I have. So this is sexy. This is very sexy. Of course, her version is way more gorgeous editorial, but I welcome you guys to mimic this look. Keep it monotone, add a pop of color, whether it be a dark blue like I did, or green, or red, or whatever it is that you want to do. Yes, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.